What's going on, guys? Y'all crazy. What's going on, you guys? What is up? Jesus. What's going on, guys? Alright, so I have been away for a week. I took a vacation, so that's why I haven't been here in a while. So I just got back from vacation and back to the grind, you guys. Apologize. It's been a while. I didn't keep anything updated, but I'm back from vacay. And I did trade last week. I took all L's. Never trade when you're on vacation. Just enjoy yourself while you're on vacation. But I took all L's. I took screenshots of it. I was gonna do a weekly recap, um, but I didn't. I was gonna go live Sunday for you guys and do like another live weekly recap, but for some reason I just wasn't feeling it, so I didn't get on. Um, but I do have screenshots of all the trades I took last week, so maybe I'll put a video out and do a weekly recap of the trades that I took while on vacation. So, but like I said, I took all L's, and it's just I realize I'm not being patient enough and waiting for my setup. So, but this is a new week, and I'm still I'm not doing too much scalping. I didn't really do too much scalping last week. I'm still looking at the market in like an overall view. So I am still looking at the daily charts and the 4 hour charts. A lot of what I was looking at last week was like reversal patterns. That's what I was looking at on GU. I have it marked up on my GU chart, and I was like, hey, this would be a good, good video to bring to you guys about reversals and just like what patterns to look for when we're at the top of a trend or when we're at the bottom of a trend. So I may do a video on that for you guys. Um, but right now we're just looking at GJ at the moment. I marked GJ up, and I didn't do a weekly recap. Usually in our weekly recaps we go over the chart for the week, the daily 4 hours. So I won't really do that right now. I will do that. I'll probably try to get a video out to you guys if you guys want to see my trades from last week on my L's that I took. I think I took a trade almost. I think I took 2 bullets every day last week. I can't remember, but I did take screenshots of my trades. I took screenshots, and I left my trading journal here at home, so I didn't get to write anything down. And I know I could have like typed it up, or I had other notebook that I brought with me, and I know I could have like typed it up, but I like to keep all my trading notes in my trading journal, and I did not bring it, and I thought I had it in my bag, but I didn't. So I don't have any trading notes. I just have screenshots. So that's bad on my part, but we live and we learn. So as you can see right now, GJ is in between these two zones that I'm looking at. So we could see, oh, what are we? Uptrend or downtrend? So on the daily, it looks like we're in an uptrend. So honestly, anything can happen always, but we bounce off this trend line. We're heading up. For me, I want to see it break above this area and retest, get in on a 15-minute, and then ride it to the next level, probably right up here. Yeah. So I'm trying to keep my charts less cluttered with a lot of stuff on it, considering the fact that I took off all of my indicators. I don't trade with any indicators anymore. I used to have an 8 EMA. I used to have the 50 moving average and the stochastic RSI. I used to have that all across the board on all my charts, even when I was scalping on the 5 minute. Like I said, I'm not scalping anymore. I'm more doing like intraday trades. But not saying that I won't ever scalp again, but if I see a scalp trade, I'll take it. But for the most part, I'm looking at the higher time frames and seeing what I can get in and catch, just so I can catch more pips and hold my trades longer, and look at it more of an investment, because I do invest in the stock market long term. So that's how I plan to look at, because there's no difference between looking at these candlesticks and looking at the stock chart. The only difference with stocks is that stocks go up versus in the forex market, it's just people literally who are exchanging currencies. And so the overall picture of the forex market is just one big consolidation, and you're just catching pips like on the lower time frames basically, versus trading. Versus investing in the stock market long term. Like for instance, if you get in Amazon, you're expecting the price to go up. You're not expecting for the stock to fluctuate at a like an intense rate. I guess you could say just one big consolidation. You can look at the Dow Jones. You can look at the S&P 500. They're on a consistent uptrend. But if you were to take a look at GJ on the monthly chart, honestly, it's just one big consolidation. Look at that. It's just, there's really no direction. Like here, yeah, we're coming down, but it's not coming down in a consistently. You know what I mean? Like it stopped right here and we came up, and then it's just one big consolidation. Like I mean, some people, I don't know if people actually like invest in the forex market, like as an investment, like they would do the stock market. I don't know, maybe, but me personally, I wouldn't. I rather just swing trade it or intraday trade it, scalp the forex market, and then hold my money in the stock market for long term, because the S&P 500 has an average of 8% growth a year, and I don't know what the percentages for forex pairs are. Like I said, I see it as one big consolidation. I could be wrong, you know. Probably have to do some more research on it, but that's just how I look at it. Oh, that's my train of thought. I feel like I was just rambling, but anyway, I'm not gonna do a breakdown. Like I said, I want to wait for. I'm gonna do the weekly recap. Now that I'm on here, I feel like I really should do my weekly recap from last week. So I'm gonna put that video out someday this week. To my last week's weekly recap. The date on it will be whatever Saturday's date was. I don't know what Saturday's date was. So when I post it, it's going to say weekly recap 11 something, Saturday's date 21. So it's not going to be, it's going to look like it's old, but it's not. So like I said, I'm waiting for price to either break up here or come back down here. If it comes back down here, I would most likely take it to we'll try to see if we can take it down back down here. But we're in an uptrend so far in this area after it bounced off of here. And I put this circle here because this was the reversal on, this is the 4 hour, this was the reversal candle stick pattern on the 4 hour chart. So let's take a look at GU. Like I said, I'm not going to break it down as far as like where we are and just going in depth on that, because I want to wait for that. Um, let's see. So it's on the 15-minute where I had all of these, like I had, this was from last week, my last week's trades right here. This was when I was trading last week when I took my vacation. Like I was looking at, okay, I was figuring like, why am I taking losses, right? Like what's the problem? Like what am I not looking for? And I realized that I need to wait for a pattern before I get in, because I'm not using any indicators to help me get in my trades anymore. So I was like, okay, this is an evening star, another inverted. It was inverted something. I was looking at I looked at reversal patterns while I was on vacation. I was looking at that. So okay, I can point out evening stars and morning stars. Like I'm good with that. So I was just like, okay, reversal here, reversal here, reversal here. I think I am gonna do a video for you guys on that too. And then here we are. I had drew up this like this wedge here. Price broke out of the wedge. That's on the 15-minute. We go back up to the 4 hour price. Is 4 hours breaking out of this top wedge here? I might actually delete it just for right now. And then do that. Did I see a Fibonacci right here? Let's see where we're going. It's probably going to want to test this area right here. You guys know how I feel about colors. It has to be the right color. I don't know what it is. If it's not the right color, it's going to bother me. And then I'm going to sit here just playing around with the colors. So, I mean, this is a 135 area. So what I can do, delete this. Now, honestly, if we put this 135 area up here, we don't necessarily need to have that zone up there. But I hope you guys had a good trading week last week. Hope you guys caught some pips. So I took all L's last week, so it's all good if you took an L. But the most important thing is understanding why you took that loss. That's the most important thing. Okay, so it's about 50 pips going from 1345 to 135. Let's see how it looks in the lower 1 hour. Probably wait for a retest here in this area. Wait for it because price is extending. Wait for price to come back down and go to the next level, next zone. So we do have news coming out throughout the day. I don't really pay attention to the news. I used to back when I was trading London session, but I don't pay attention to it like I used to. But I still, you guys know I still look at it. I was calling it out before. But this is my setup for GU. Like I said, I'm waiting for a price to um, come back down to this area or give me some type of like a reversal pattern here. The evening star. That's what I'm really good at pointing out are the evening stars, morning stars. Like this right here. This is an evening star. Yeah, where are we? Okay, here we go. So you have this candle that shoots up. You put the doji in, and then price comes down. You would get in literally right here on this wick, and you would write it down to where we're gonna write it down to. This is a evening. This is a morning star. I'm sorry. Morning star is for reversals when price is going up, and then evening stars are reversal patterns for when price is coming back down. Like this morning star, you get this candlestick here, doji, and then price is going up. Like that's like the for me it's I think it's the easiest one of the easiest candlestick patterns to point out. and they're on all time frames. You can point this stuff out on all time frames. This would be considered still a morning star. I'm sorry, evening star. Evening star. This would be an evening star, and then you get in right here, and your stop loss is literally right above this area. So you put your entry here, right, and then your stop loss is right up here, and then you write it down. So let's see. The way. So you're risking, let's see, 45 pips. Let's say you take it down here to make 163 pips, or even down to this level, 212. So I look for, those are the reversal patterns that I look for. But then I've been noticing stuff like this, and I've been trying to like study up on it. Like price shoots up here, and then you get this candlestick that just overtakes the previous candle. That's the reversal pattern too. It's called an inverse something. Like I said, I'm gonna do a video for you guys on the reversal patterns. So this is what I'm looking for on like a GU, and then pull this up, bring up GJ, back to the 1 hour. So price is in the middle. We're just waiting for something to happen. This would be a scalping time now once we're in the prices in the middle, and you throw up that 8, and we just wait for price to either break above or below the 8, and just take a couple of pips and get out basically. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm not looking to scalp today. I'm gonna wait and see. I set my alerts on both levels. The price is in the middle, you do nothing. So I just add my alerts here for throughout the day. So the price comes back down here. I'm looking for a retest in this area. Probably take it down to the trend line. But price is in an uptrend based on where we're at right now on the GJ. Wait for price break up here, wait for price break up here, break down here. This is pretty tight, so I'd probably wait for something below this trend line. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm back. I just took a vacation. I didn't drop off the face of the earth. I just went on vacation. But I'm back from vacation now, and I do have a couple of videos that I want to put out for you guys. I do have an Instagram. I don't know if you guys know, but this is my Instagram page. It's traderslounge.us, and I have to change this YouTube link. But I will be getting back onto Instagram, posting again. I know the last post I did was on October 25th. Um, I am putting together a lot of new content for Traders Lounge. So if you guys want to follow me, like I said, it's at traderslounge.us. That's our handle, you guys. But I will keep you guys updated in the Discord. If you guys want to follow the Discord, link is in the description. You guys can join my server. That's where I put all of my like trades of the day. Whether I get stopped out, whether we're gonna take profit, what I'm looking at. That's where I'll be updating. Like how I set my alerts just now for these two pairs. I will be updating it in the Discord on how I'm looking at it throughout the day, and just going through it. So if you guys want to join my server, you can join my server. Follow the Traders Lounge Instagram page. It's where I post like motivation for you guys on trading industry. It's basically like hesitation and what I think it means and how I apply it, and how I think you guys should apply it, where it can help you guys, like preparation, journal, stop loss, investing, goals. How do you react to taking a loss, and why did you start trading? So you guys can go check those out. A couple posts there. I will be posting more content soon on that. I didn't go anywhere. I just went on vacation for a week. You got to take a break. Unfortunately, I did not take a break from the charts, but it's okay. So, so you guys know that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Come hang out with me in Discord and say what's up on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.